Hi, and welcome to Aplos Systems tutorial on mail merging using one of our systems. You probably come here from our tutorial on how to mail merge using Microsoft Office. So first, I just want to show you how easy it can be to send your personalized emails using a bespoke system. This example is for an email mail merge, although obviously the system can cater for all different types of mail merge. You can see here that we have a data list of the Beatles. All I need to do is click the Email Filtered Customers button. I can then quickly check that the details are correct, the recipient's subject and content, and then click Send Email. And there you go, all the emails have been sent. And that's the beauty of having a bespoke software solution for your business. This is just one small part of the system, and yet it's turned a 5-minute job into a 5-second job. And more important than that, it's eliminated a complicated procedure. So you need less time to train your staff, and it's much less likely that mistakes will be made. Now that you've seen the basic steps, I'm going to run through some additional benefits that a system like this can provide. Because it's not just about saving time and money. These systems mean you can do more, provide a better service, and really get an edge on your competitors. First, let me take you back to the initial screen where we have our data. What's great about this is how easy it is to select who we want to send an email to. We can sort columns, filter results, and just select a few recipients from the list if we want to. Editing is as easy as clicking on the row, making a change, and then clicking the OK button. What we have essentially done is to merge the functions of Microsoft Word and Excel into the same application, making it much simpler for the user. There's no need to swap between two windows, no need to worry about changes in one not being visible in the other, and no need to worry about warnings like this document is being used by another process. All the controls that the user is likely to use are on display so that it's intuitive and fast. Once the user has selected the recipients, they come to our email edit page. This page really brings in some powerful features, and although I don't have time to cover all of them in this tutorial, there's a few important ones I really want to point out. So we have our standard sections for subject and content, and then above you can see all the recipients that this email will go to. These recipients are shown here so that you can be assured that you aren't accidentally sending emails to the wrong people. Also, if you click on them, you can now see the subject and content have gone into preview mode. You can see how the email will appear to them and make sure that the placeholders aren't doing anything strange. If you click on the link, then you can quickly make edits to the data before it's sent. Okay, so here's a really important part that most businesses don't realize the benefit of because it's never even been an option for them. This bulk email has an attachment, and this attachment is also generated from the same customer as the email content. This is a really powerful feature as it can be used for contracts, reports, instructions, or for invoices like in this example. This is a huge time saver as you don't have to create documents by hand and then attach them one by one to each email. Once you are in preview mode, you can even click the link to see what the finished document will look like before it's sent. Next, I want to draw your attention to the From field and User Signature placeholder. Both of these are driven by the current user. This is another crucial benefit of a bespoke system, as often people will be moving about or sharing computers, and at that point signatures become hard to manage. This system easily solves that problem by having it all set up to the person that is currently logged in. You can see that from the From field, my email address has already been set, and in preview mode you can see my user signature has already been added to the email. Everything in this process has been set up so your staff need to have as little training and work as possible, but also so that they have full visibility on what they are doing to avoid any errors. On top of that, when you look under the covers, none of the flexibility is lost. It's just hidden away. For example, on the email template page, you can select the invoice email template and change the default content, the subject, and who will be put in the From field by default. as you may wish that invoices always come from John in finance, even though they are being sent by Sarah in admin. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe to find out more helpful videos on bespoke software. If you've enjoyed this video, then click the like button so other people can find it.